Hello everyone. At this video I'd like to share how to do LVP stairs step by step. Here how those stairs looked like before I start to work on them. And like any work, begin with neatness. I clean up my workplace first. I'm so sorry, but I can't find file where I measure and cut threads. But there will be another video where I do risers and the process is the same. When all stair threads are fitted, I number them and set aside, and apply adhesive on the stairs. And here how the finished threads look like. After all threads are done, we start to work on risers. The width of plank is 6 inches, so I have to add a strip to each riser. I use combination square for accuracy. LVP is very easy to cut with knife. All you need is cut and bend it, and break off the strip. Like I said before, I've lost a video file with threads measuring. So it's the same idea like you can see now. Got it done right from the first try. After all risers are ready, apply adhesive and give it around 30 minutes flash time. After adhesive flash time, we can start to put risers. If there are spots of adhesive, they need to be cleaned out with damp cloth or alcohol. Then installed planks need to be rolled by a special roller. We are almost done. Need to add the stair nosing and that's it. To measure stair nosing, I use tape measure. Be very careful using a meter saw and don't forget to use safety tools for eyes and ears. Safety first. When make sure the size is right, we need to scrape the inside of stair nosing with sandpaper from 60 to 100 grit and degrease it using alcohol or hotstone. After scrape and degrease, remove protect tape and apply liquid nails and fix it. Thank you all for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.